Take a look at this absolutely stunning 1949 GMC 100 5-window pickup. And yes, this truck looks as amazing in person as it does in the pictures and the video. This truck came to us just as you see it, fully restored and absolutely stunning. Take a look at the grille and the chrome on this. It's just beautiful. (1949) GMC 5-window pickup. These pickups are extremely popular right now. As if you're watching this video, you probably already know that. And this is one of the nicest examples of a stock pickup that we have had here in a long time. And every angle this truck looks fantastic. You take a look at the reflection in the door and the even the box side. You can see how absolutely nice and straight the truck is. Wheels, trim rings, bumpers, chrome, stainless, everything looks excellent. Very nice restoration and attention to detail. If you take a look at the box, obviously all new wood, new box strips, even the side racks are nice, and if you don't like those, of course you can just pop those out, not a problem. This truck is all steel also, by the way, no fiberglass fenders or anything like that. You can see the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com, and there you can see the still pictures of the inside, outside, the underside. Be able to see everything that you need to see to make a buying decision. And the inside is equally as sharp. See, again, exceptionally clean. See, we got the correct GMC step for the running boards. And see, there's a look at the windows again. This one does have a headliner in it as well. Beautiful truck, and it does run as good as it looks. Gauges are nice and crisp, they're not all faded out. You can see the odometer reads 2,464. That's believed to be since the restoration. These trucks are great, and of course you see a lot of the Chevrolets. You don't see as many of the GMCs, so to be able to have this one here, we're happy to have it, and it's a seldom seen truck. Even the horn ring is in the steering wheel. You see a lot of times these steering wheels in these old trucks are cracked and busted up. This one is excellent condition. And this one is a 4-speed transmission on the floor, not 3, which is of interesting note as well. I will get the hood open and we'll fire it up for you. All right, the hood is open, and it's a good look at the paint on the hood too. You can see how nice and straight that is. All right, let's get it started up for you. Just turn the key. And the starter is down here with your foot. And she's running. Nice and quiet and smoothly, I might add. You can hardly hear it. Let's take a look. Again, look at the reflection in the paint. You can see almost the entire showroom in the reflection of that door, just to give you an idea how nice the paint is.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Okay, under the hood, we have a 6-cylinder that this truck would have came with and were powered by. These engines were pretty bulletproof. They had a great reputation, and guys who bought these new back in the day were able to work the snot out of them, and they just kept on going. Yeah. Very, very, very nice truck. We'll go around the back, let you take a listen back there. As I've gone around this truck, I've tried to find any sort of flaw or anything like that. The only thing I could find is I see there's a few kind of spots on the roof edge here. I don't know if you can, if the camera even picks it up. Again, I'm being pretty fussy, but there's a few things like that right there. Other than that, this truck is absolutely amazing. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered. Financing is available, as are extended warranties to protect your vehicle after the purchase.